Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your investment gains with Robinhood, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Log in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Navigate to the home screen, where you can see your portfolio and market trends. To begin increasing your investment gains, identify your investment goals. Decide whether you aim for short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation. Research stocks, ETFs, or options you are interested in. Use the search bar to find specific investments or browse through categories. Read about each investment to understand its performance history. Look for key indicators such as market trends, analyst ratings, and earnings reports. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk across different sectors. Use the collections feature to explore curated lists of stocks. Evaluate your risk tolerance when selecting investments. Once ready, go back to the stock's profile page. Tap Trade and choose whether to buy or sell. Decide how many shares you want to purchase or sell. Choose between market orders and limit orders based on your strategy. A market order executes immediately at the current market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price for buying or selling. Confirm your order details before executing. After your trade, monitor your investments regularly. Utilize the News tab to stay updated on market developments. Set price alerts for your stocks to help manage your investments. Consider using Robinhood's options trading to maximize gains. Understand the risks associated with options trading before proceeding. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. Regularly reassess your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.